there's the answers, which I don't even know why I'm showing this because I'm about to go over. I'll probably just go over like the even ones because then you still have to do the odds for all the people that didn't.
And you need to speak louder?
You need to speak louder?
Yeah.
Why?
Because then you can't hear it. I'm just trying to help him out.
Don't try to help.
You could just translate. Repeat everything I say.
Hey, we have a meeting during lunch.
Quick review 6. Solve for y prime in terms of y and x. Which means solve for y prime. Squared y prime minus 2xy equals 4.
Okay, what is? Yeah, I didn't get the y prime
What?
part.
That's like dy dx. So this is a possible answer for. Like
So y prime is dy d. Oh my gosh.
It is. So it's like solving for dy dx. So you're solving for this guy. Meaning, get it by itself, get all the other crap over to the other side. This is essentially an 8th grade problem with a bunch of weird stuff written there. So don't think too hard.
So
What would
add
you do first?
Plus
Add
2xy.
So now you have x squared y prime equals, none of those are like terms. So you'd have 4x minus y plus 2xy.
Divide by x squared.
And then divide by x squared and you're done.
That, you don't have to find the
touch your
derivative.
well, Tanya.
I know you did. Thank
You're
you.
just solving for y
I
prime.
was teacher.
Yeah, I know. It's
And then
good.
she ends up knowing and you don't.
No, she
No,
still
she just
does
says
know.
that. She knows it. She does it.
Okay,
Everything I
Alondra,
know is because of Brenda.
Our tests like that and be on our test.
Can I cancel an x and an x here?
No.
You could just say my name in the videos.
Okay.
I know what you're
Because yeah, I was referencing you.
I know.
Put me in blast.
talking about. Yeah. You can put a picture in the corner. Like, yeah.
Her little face.
Alondra always does this. Don't do this. So that's the same on 7 and on 8. 8's tricky. I'll give you that. Should I do 8?
Yeah.
You should do all of them
Yeah, I got that one wrong.
because I literally
Can you do 7?
know.
It's like the exact same as the one. Oh no, there's y primes on both sides.
Yeah.
So these ones you're just solving for y prime.
You just factor it out.
I thought we had to do that. I need to read directions more clearly.
Yeah, you're solving for y prime. You can't factor it, Brenda, because those don't both have y prime.
No.
You do minus xy prime
You get the y
for the
primes
other
on the
one,
same
and then
side.
Yeah,
the
and then
cosine
factor
to
it
the
out.
other side.
It's like you're doing the derivative of implicit. You're doing implicit differentiation, but it's already the
It's
derivative
already
part's
done
already
for
done.
you. Okay.
You're just getting the y primes on the same side.
So you subtract.
Minus xy prime. And we'll add this one over to the other side. Plus x cos of x. So over here we'll have y prime sin x minus xy prime. Over here we'll have
Why?
y plus x cos x.
Now you
So
factor
then you'll
out the
have
y
y
Factor
prime.
and
prime
divide.
minus x
No.
y prime. No, that's
That's what I said, Jeanette. Like, what?
Wait. Is it sine of x minus x?
Yeah.
It's written different. Like the x is in front and the sign's behind. Like normally the thing you factor out is always in the front of the y prime. Okay, the ones we've done. Okay, this.
Just factor.
Doesn't matter what order you're in. Now you got it. And then you don't got it yet? You factor out y prime, right?
Take a y prime.
Yeah.
So it's sine of x minus x,
Equals all this crap.
then divide by sine of x minus x.
You got
So
it.
it's y plus x
And
cos
then
of x
divide
over
by
sine of x
minus
minus
x.
x.
And that's your answer.
How come you always make homework a lot easier than it was?
I have practice,
I want to have that practice.
experience.
I know, I hate math.
You're not old enough.
How old are you?
21.
Okay. He has gray hairs already.
Just gray hair, there's no hair.
He's going bald. Get my dad this so much.
30.
Would you rather have like really, really white hair and not like
30.
head of hair?
He's like 36. No,
Like
Mr. Hopkins,
28.
Are you 28?
you're 30, huh?
he's not even 30 yet.
He's
Do you see
28.
it? No.
You're 27.
29.
28.
27.
My dad's
30.
son.
28.
Ew.
I'm gonna go with 28.
Not 31.
He's the same age as my oldest sister.
I was like,
That's awkward.
I was going hard for 28.
She has a 9-year-old daughter.
Dang.
Okay, that was weird.
So you're not 28.
Well, he
He's
has a
31.
7-month
He was
kid.
28 our freshman year. My sister's
I
pregnant
was
with her
like
fourth
28.
kid.
But
And
I
she's
guess if you
31?
told us that my freshman year, I just never added the years.
Yeah, well, I don't want no more kids for the rest of my life.
He just never gets older.
You're like already like married. He's still 28.
Yeah, that's weird, huh? I told one class.
I just don't think my dad's that old, but then he really
Calculus
is
a couple of years ago. I was like, do you realize like we could be friends in the future? They're like, what? I'm like, yeah, I'm only, at that time I was like 29. I was like, I'm 29, you guys are 18. So in like 20 years, I'll be 49 and you'll be almost 40. That's almost the same thing.
old. Oh my gosh, that is so weird.
We could be like next door neighbors,
Howdy, neighbor.
That'd be fun.
taking our kids to the fair at the same time.
Oh, that's so awkward. Stop.
Dude, I can't wait for the fair. I want the potato.
Later, we're gonna be like, "Hey, Hopkins, you're my best friend." We're like, "No,
The last
you're
one I
my
went
teacher."
I got
You
3 of
can
those
tag
curly
videos.
fries. I love 3 of those. I love the curly fries. I don't know why.
Can you do this now?
Yes.
Yes.
What'd you do first, Brenda?
Which one?
8.
Oh. That's the one I got wrong, so I don't
Yeah.
Can I just
Okay, no, you just divide by
Minus
X squared
y
minus
prime to take it to
5
the
by
other
y
side.
squared? What?
No.
That ain't gonna work.
So-
Oh, just divide by that? No, because then you have a y prime.
Yeah, I know.
Do you
Sorry.
I would do distributed property, yeah.
Whatever it's called.
So you have what? XY squared.
Minus xy prime equals
X squared y1 minus y
How would you write
prime.
X
Whoa.
squared y prime minus y prime. So when you have y prime, you
Oh,
can't
my phone just
like
It's not the same as
distribute
y.
it.
I haven't charged it since like last
Now, same thing, get the y primes on the one side,
last
factor them
morning.
out.
So basically, add x y prime to the other side.
Whatever, you can do it whatever side you
Your
want.
mom still takes care of Sophia?
No, she's with her dad. She doesn't like to be with me anymore. She likes to be with her dad more. Because she spends more time with her dad than me.
That's it.
Yeah, it'd be easiest just to add xy prime.
So then you end up with
So, you know,
Because I see her
Squared, you
from
have all
right
three of
after
those
lunch
things.
till I go to practice,
Factor out your y
which is like
prime.
4. I have 4 hours of that.
Squared.
And then after that, I get home.
Sí, les van a dar de
She's
comer.
passed out. Yeah. He feeds her all night, dude. I'm there. Asleep como porco.
Divide by that whole thing, and there's your answer.
So, when you write your answer, you put y
Just take a
prime
picture of me.
equals-
You really look like you did.
No, it's in my hair.
Okay, good. Well, she went like that, and she took a picture.
whoa.
I was like, you're either on the outside camera or the inside one.
You really kind of like freaked out.
Yeah.
Dude, I did take a
You
picture of
see, no, people do
somewhere.
that. People do that sometimes.
You over here like,
What are you doing?
You didn't answer my question. Voting.
because he was
Because he
freaking
was
out.
too busy freaking
So when
out.
you write your answer, you put y prime equals that.
Hey, should I throw these away?
Yeah.
I don't know if she'll need it.
I'm
Corrected it 4 times already.
You should be able to
Just
do those,
in
right?
that class period.
Oh, 9, that's
No,
right.
mine.
These
Wait,
She
what
fixed
was the answer you
something
ended up with? I
and then-
didn't see it.
She catches on something
X
else.
squared over x squared minus y plus x.
Okay.
I get confused on these.
just says,
X, y squared
use rational powers rather than radicals.
So the first one is
What's rational powers?
1/2.
Fraction power.
Fraction.
powers.
So x to the 1/2
X to the 1/2,
times
x.
x minus
2 1/3.
x to the 2/3.
1/3.
No, x to the 3rd.
1/3.
Oh, 'cause it's
Fraction
x to
power,
the
the top
1.
number is.
Wait, how do you remember how to do that?
Here's how I remember.
The-
I just
Square
know square root is 1/2 power.
Yeah.
And since I know that one, that means
X
this is like a
plus
2. The 2 goes on bottom, the power for this goes on top.
Okay.
So like if I have 2/3 power, that's third root
square
of
root
x
of-
squared.
Mhm.
No,
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
top number is the one that goes down here.
Yeah.
Okay, bottom
Bottom
fractions
number.
inside of
Square
the.
root is
Okay.
Because I just
Square
remember,
root.
just memorize that one. Square root is 1/2 power. And then from there, I use that same pattern on all the rest.
Okay.
So now you just do distributive
Sorry.
property.
Which is
What's
X to the
x to the
3
1/2?
halves.
Yeah,
X to
you
the 3
X
halves.
to
multiply,
the
you
3
add
halves.
X to the
Multiply, you add.
X
5,
to the
6.
5,
What's 1/2
6.
plus 1/3?
5, 6.
5, 6.
What?
Denominator is 6.
Oh, 2 and 3 is 5.
3.
Okay. Okay.
2.
What'd you send it to your story? Oh.
I wouldn't do that.
10 is the same.
Especially after you blew up in your
Then I
face.
would kill you.
You just did it, didn't you? So you just change them all the powers. X plus, what's that?
X is 2/3 over X to the 1/3.
Nope.
No, it's just X, isn't it?
Halves.
Oh, 3 halves.
The power's 3.
Dang.
Oh, I wrote it. Oh, no, I didn't.
I put
Then you
1/3.
divide both of them by x to the 3 halves.
So you put everything over 2. 2, 2. Right, get a common denominator on the other one.
Or there you could
Do-
switch.
Do
Uh,
6s.
However you want to think about it. What would you do next? I don't know.
I would do 6s.
Put it,
Plus X to the 4 6 over
Would you
X
divide them
to the...
both by 3 halves? Okay. When you divide, what do you do with powers?
Subtract.
Subtract. So you have 1 minus 3 halves.
6 minus...
Or just half.
Negative.
2 2s minus 3 2s.
Well, then what are you going to do with the other one? You have to change that one
One.
to 6s.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, what's 3
Then
times
negative
6?
1.
No, 3, wait, 2 to get to 6 is 3. What's 3 times 3? 9.
Negative 1/2.
Plus, we'll do that in a second.
2/3
So
two-thirds
minus
minus
3
3
halves.
X with 1/2 on bottom.
6. 4 6 minus 9 6. 4 minus
5,
negative.
Is it X to the 1/2?
Oh yeah,
one?
negative 5.
Oh,
Yeah.
And since they're both negative, what should we probably do?
Do it up
Over
on
one.
top.
What the heck?
Oh, I already
don't get
did that.
This is gonna be on a test.
Quick review, it's just like, don't forget this stuff.
I kept them positive and already put it over
learning
1.
this stuff.
How about when we learn this stuff?
That would have been like the last 2 years, I don't know.
1, we had lost.
Yeah, we have.
Okay, last 1 year in a row, really rushed.
I had boss twice. I did for algebra and geometry.
I don't remember you.
No, I
Boss?
Ooh, great quiz-like problem.
No, Mr.
Oh, I had boss twice.
Oh, you did?
Him 3
How are you so
times.
smart? I do learn anything.
Boss twice. For what? For what?
Algebra and
Algebra.
geometry.
Yeah, we did
And then I
it.
had him for algebra 2,
I was like, yes, I got it.
pre-cal,
I
and
was tried it and I was
calculus.
like, I actually remember.
Wait, what happened?
We did 20
So
questions.
20's already
Are you
been done
sore?
for you.
Why am I so my butt hurts?
Did 22.
Okay.
Wait, oh, I wanted to do
We
22.
did 20
We did 20 already.
I didn't realize that.
Did I get the
That
answer
square
right?
root like threw me
Oh, I
off.
got
It
it
was
wrong. I got it
hard.
right.
Why, it's just a number.
I put it in the one fraction, but then I just left it. Because, like, I got confused.
Okay, what do you do first?
Oh,
The
they gave us a
derivative.
point.
You derive it, or what is it
Derivative?
called?
Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, change the square root. to something.
Why?
No, just leave it.
Oh, just leave it?
It's just a number.
It's
It's not the
easier.
square root of x.
The square root.
Oh, so it's gonna
3,
be
which is
1.
just
Oh,
a
I
number.
wrote it the whole.
It's like 1 point something. Who cares?
Okay, so you have
If
2x.
the square root extended over, then yeah, we'd have problems. But right now,
So-
I thought it did.
Well, I thought it did go to X though.
I thought it went to the whole thing, you know?
No, I
at
thought it
least
was
the
just
X,
over
no?
the X. Yeah, me too.
so derivative 2x
Minus 1.
my uh-oh.
0. You have to do product
Product
rule.
rule.
So it's
So I'm gonna come over here and do some work on the side. I'm gonna do square root of 3 times x, that's gonna stay together.